how gut health controls sugar cravings and how to fix it. Do you constantly crave sugar no matter how hard you try to resist? It's not just about willpower. Your gut bacteria might be calling the shots. Today, we're diving into the fascinating link between your gut microbiome and sugar cravings. And most importantly, how you can take back control. The gut-sugar connection. Inside your gut, trillions of bacteria are living right now. Some of them help your body function properly, while others, they thrive on sugar and can actually influence your cravings. Brain and gut connected by nerves. This happens through something called the gut-brain axis. Your gut bacteria send signals to your brain, and certain sugar-loving bacteria release chemicals that trigger cravings for sweets. Sugar-loving bacteria equals more cravings. Research study summary with words like gut microbiome and cravings highlighted. In fact, research has shown that an imbalanced gut microbiome can make it harder to resist sugar, leading to overeating and addiction-like behavior. 5 signs your gut is controlling your cravings. So, how do you know if your gut is the reason behind your sugar cravings? Here are 5 warning signs to look out for. 1. Constant sugar cravings. If you find yourself reaching for sweets multiple times a day, it could mean sugar-loving bacteria are overrunning your gut. 2. Digestive issues. Bloating, constipation, or gas. An unhealthy gut can make it harder to digest food properly, leading to imbalances that drive cravings. 3. Mood swings and fatigue. Your gut produces 90% of your serotonin, the happy hormone. An unhealthy gut can mess with your mood and energy, making you crave sugar for a quick boost. 4. Frequent colds and weak immunity. Did you know that 70% of your immune system is in your gut? A poor gut microbiome can weaken your defenses, leading to more illnesses and more cravings. 5. Trouble losing weight. If you've been trying to cut sugar but still struggle with cravings, your gut bacteria could be working against you. If you checked off multiple signs, your gut needs help. How to fix your gut and stop sugar cravings. Alright, so how do you reset your gut and stop sugar cravings naturally? Here are 3 powerful steps you can start today. Step 1. Eat more prebiotics and probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that help balance your gut. You can get them from foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Prebiotics feed these good bacteria. Eat more garlic, onions, and bananas to keep them strong. Step 2. Reduce processed sugar and artificial sweeteners. Cutting out sugar helps starve the bad bacteria so the good ones can thrive. Also, avoid artificial sweeteners as they can make cravings worse by disrupting your gut balance. Step 3. Eat more fiber and healthy fats. Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria and keeps you full longer, reducing cravings. Load up on leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like avocados and olive oil. Prebiotics plus probiotics plus fiber equals gut health boost. To wrap it up, sugar cravings aren't just about self-control. They're deeply connected to your gut health. If you've been struggling with cravings, Focusing on your gut microbiome is a game changer. Eat more prebiotics and probiotics. Cut processed sugar and artificial sweeteners. Increase fiber and healthy fats. Try making these changes for just 1 week, and you'll likely notice fewer cravings and more energy. Did any of these signs sound familiar? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights every week.